Welcome back everyone to another video on this channel. This time we talk about how can you force update your iPhone. Now, this is a question that some people have on their mind, since obviously the easy way to update your phone is by going to the general settings and then software update. And if there is one available, then you can easily just update now or download it and you're going to be good to go. But the problem is that you might have some troubles getting to here or actually performing the update. So the very first thing would be to just go ahead and restart your iPhone, because a lot of times after a quick restart, you're going to notice that the phone can now update properly. So I would do that at first. But if this doesn't work for whatever reason, then you need to proceed with a computer. And essentially the way that it works is that you're going to look up an IPSW file of your iOS update. So there is this website which is called ipsw.me, right? So you're going to click on it, and in here you can browse through all of the devices. Let's say that you want to update your iPhone, so you're going to click on that. You're going to close the ad if there is one, and you just pick the phone that you have. Let's say it's going to be the iPhone 15 in my case. And there is this system of iOS updates, and some of them are signed and some of them are not. Usually the latest one is only available to be downloaded. Essentially, you cannot install iOS 17.6 on your device. All you can do is to download the latest one. So you're going to click on this, and essentially you just download it onto your computer, and then you connect your iPhone through a cable, and on your Mac you're going to find the iPhone in the Finder. On Windows, you're going to find it in the iTunes app, and you're going to be able to install the update through this file directly, put it onto your computer. So that's how you can force update your iPhone in case it doesn't work using the regular method. But obviously it's a little bit more advanced, so at first make sure to get or do whatever you can to get the basic updating to work. I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. If you found it helpful, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I will see you in the next video.